So Hannah has surprised me this morning with a lovely breakfast.
You're welcome.
For two, with the view. I've got such a great girlfriend. Look at this spread. Let's tuck in. Goodbye, Rome. I miss you. We're at a place called King's Cliff. What is it, Hannah? Yeah, what is it?
It's it used to be a club.
It used to be an old British club. Hannah wanted to come here, so I just came. I just follow Hannah all the time. Keep Hannah happy.
This is Pujapati. He's here to tell us some more about this lovely place.
This property is 150 years old property. A gentleman called Mr. Vijay Prabhu. He bought this property with Britishers and they renovated into the hotel.
Happy, Alan? Good for
do
you?
with some alcohol though.
Richmond, what do you think? You like?
Like.
Oh, seriously? Have some.
So we're in a posh place here in Ooty in India, and this music has just come on. Can you hear that? All rise. Bit of Blue. Hate to admit this, but Blue were actually my favourite band when I was younger. So that's us arrived in Kannur, and we're at the train station because we're about to get on a train that's taking us into Nilgiri Mountains. I'm excited. Anna's excited. You might not be excited, but we are. Uh-oh, the Nilgiri Popo. I'm on the train track. I'm off the train track. I'm on the train track. I'm off the train track. Naughty. That's us aboard the train, and we're in first class. This is first class. Well, there you go, that was the Nilgiri Mountain Railway. If that's not a train spotter's wet dream, I don't know what is. You're welcome. Hey son, where do you think you're going? Get back up there. No, don't you be going down. Don't think about it. So Hannah, how was your train journey?
That was the most wonderful thing I think I've ever done. It was stunningly beautiful and I'm buzzing. The sights, smells, sounds, chugga chugga feeling. It was amazing. I originally wanted to come here because I saw a BBC documentary, which you'll mention in the comments. He'll tell you how to go see it.
No, I won't.
And there was a man who, I think he worked 6 days on the railway, and on his day off he just travelled on the train anyway. I think if it was my job, I'd probably do the same. I hope I come back again. Will you bring me back?
Anyway, that's us been picked up again by Krishnan, and he's taken us to our hotel in Coimbatore, which is another 2-hour drive. We've seen what the drives are like during the day, and that was a whole new experience, seeing what they're like at night time. My word, it was scary at times. Whew. That's us in another hotel yet again, and it's a kind of hotel I love. It's clean, spacious, modern, got room service. Told me they got wine. I've not had a glass of red wine in ages because it's hard to get red wine in India apparently. So tomorrow we're doing a bit more flying, so I'll be in an airport quite a lot. And then we're just going to another hotel, so I'll probably not film tomorrow. But I'm gonna start editing today's footage, so I'll leave it at that. So get positive, I love summies, and here comes a helicopter headbutt. Douche.